The factory workspace focuses on the manufacture of premium mechanical components. They place a strong emphasis on accuracy and productivity to align with top industry criteria. In this discussion, we will delve into the various job opportunities present in a factory workshop and the significance of each position in the overall production process. Factories create mechanical components with a strong emphasis on accuracy and productivity. The workshop features various areas, including machinery zones equipped with advanced devices like CNC machines and welding stations that produce parts with exceptional precision. Quality control inspectors utilize instruments to evaluate each item for flaws prior to shipment. Next, there is the maintenance area, where the team swiftly repairs equipment to sustain ongoing production. The material handling section involves employees managing the storage and transportation of raw materials and finished goods to ensure a seamless workflow. Workstations are set up to provide every worker with the necessary tools for effective performance. The Health and Safety Department is in charge of factory protective equipment and inspections to maintain safety for all individuals involved. The training facility enables employees to acquire new skills and learn about safety procedures. Let's examine the job roles available within a factory workshop and how each position aids the production flow. Initially, we have production operators who handle machinery, oversee output, modify settings, and confirm that products comply with quality criteria. This role necessitates strong attention to detail and technical proficiency. Next are maintenance technicians, whose responsibilities include ensuring that machines operate optimally, conducting maintenance tasks, solving problems, and executing repairs. Analytical thinking and a solid understanding of mechanical systems are crucial in this domain. Quality control inspectors play a key role in evaluating products at all stages to guarantee they conform to safety and quality regulations, accurately spotting and rectifying defects. CNC operators focus on programming and operating CNC machines for cutting, shaping, and finishing components with high precision. They need to be well versed in programming and interpret technical drawings to fulfill specific requirements. Following this, we have welders, whose task involves fusing metal pieces using various welding techniques to create robust and secure connections that adhere to engineering guidelines. Material handlers facilitate the movement of raw materials and finished goods throughout the workshop, managing tasks such as loading, unloading, and organizing to ensure uninterrupted production. The factory supervisor oversees daily functions, teams, and safety protocols, working with different departments to achieve production targets. Strong leadership and communication skills are imperative. The supply chain manager handles logistics, overseeing raw material receipt and product dispatch while interacting with suppliers and customers. The health and safety officer implements safety standards, conducts audits, and provides employee training to ensure adherence to regulations. Every position is crucial for the efficient operation of the factory and presents valuable career prospects.